friends have been asking me, how do I make money every month doing nothing? Well, there's actually a secret to that, and if only you're going to stick with me till the end of this video, you're going to find out exactly how to make money doing nothing. And it's 2025 already, and we are living in the communications era, the 21st century. Everything is easier than ever. So if you can stick with me and follow through the principles I'm going to share with you in this video, you are going to learn how to make money doing nothing at all. I'm telling you, zero effort, nothing at all. All you need is just to do exactly what I'm going to show you. First, the ultimate secret that you need if you want to make money doing nothing at all is that you must have a system. So for you, for the first part of your life, maybe 5 years or 10 years, you're going to sit down and create a system such that for the remaining part of your life, you're going to basically do nothing. And I'm telling you, the earlier the better. If you can use the 5 years of period from 18 to 25 and then create a system from your 26 to 30s or the other rest of your life, you're going to sit down, you're not going to do anything at all. It's about the earlier the better to create the system. So let's go into it. The first thing that you can do to make money doing nothing is if you have money, okay, is what I call peer-to-peer lending. This way, all you do is that you have the money. You find out some companies, some little micro investment that need money. You give them the money and they pay you back what they call interest. Very easy. You find out your friend that's starting a new business, say, oh, I'm starting out a business, I don't know how to start. Maybe I need capital for my business. You give him the money, you're investing in it, tell him this is how you're going to pay me back. Maybe after 3 months, if you give the person 10,000 naira, 10K, the profit from you, maybe it's 5% every 2 months. That's how you're going to get money back every month without doing nothing. All you have to do was just give her the money. The second thing that you can do is what I say, owning intellectual properties. What are intellectual properties? They're your books, songs, things that you produce only once from your own effort, things that are original to you because there's copyright, okay? Maybe your books, your songs, things that you produce all yourself. And then when you produce it, you don't need to produce them again. And you can keep earning what I call royalties. Royalties from books, royalties from songs. All you have to do is to put them everywhere. Put them on your website, put them on other people's websites, put them on every streaming platform, and you keep earning royalties every single time. Because every time that people stream your songs or your books, you keep earning royalties. The third thing that you can do is affiliate marketing. Yeah, what do? You don't own a product, you know people that need a product, you just keep the link on your profile, you keep it on your Facebook, I'm telling everyone is on the internet these days, and people like to buy things from the internet. You just paste them on your profile page, you paste them on your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, or your X, or your other things, okay? Once they click on that link and they buy the products, because you don't want the products, the companies that own the product, they'll pay you what I call the commission. And if you're a commission that you receive is $5 per product. Let's say $5 per product, and everybody, at least 100 people buy that product. I'm telling you, in 1 month you can earn $1,000. And basically, you didn't do anything. All you did was that you just pasted the link on your profile. It works like magic every single time, and you earn what I call commission. Then the ultimate one of all this is what I call real estate. Real estate is the ultimate way to make money doing nothing because you just build the house once and you keep getting rent back. You keep getting rent back. People keep coming and then leaving. So the more houses that you have, the more estates that you own, you keep receiving the money, and then you don't even need to work again in your entire damn life. I'm telling you, it's so sweet, so easy. And finally, for those that are big investors, you want to buy stocks in companies, you want to buy stocks in people's other businesses, okay, and then you begin to earn dividends. It's very simple, okay. I hope these things are really clear cut. This is how you make money doing nothing, because basically you need to have a system in place. Because if you say you want to make money doing nothing just from start, okay, you might be arrested and be taken to prison, and you don't want that to be your story. Like always, I'm rooting for you, my friends, and I know that you're not very far from the top, and success is not very far from you, and we are going to see you again. I'm signing out, and I'm going to see you again. Peace.